Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos.
Welcome again friends. On Windows 10, you get a lot of options to customize the taskbar. You can control which items appear in the notification area, disable badges for apps, set it to auto hide, and more. However, even though to enable transparency, you can't make the taskbar completely transparent or use blur to make it look like frosted glass. Fortunately, there are third-party tools, such as TranslucentTB, which you can use to make your taskbar totally transparent or make it look like frosted glass. In this video, you'll learn the steps to make the taskbar on Windows 10 transparent. Warning, you'll be using a third-party application. While the app has been tested and it works correctly, make sure to understand that using third-party tools can sometimes cause problems. Use it at your own risk. Use these steps to make the taskbar totally transparent on Windows 10. First, download TranslucentTB setup.x from GitHub. Next, right-click the translucenttb.x file and install. Next, right-click the tools icon in the notification area, and you can change the settings. Once you completed the steps, every time you reboot your system, TranslucentTB will launch automatically and remember your settings. It should be noted that some antivirus may flag this tool as malware when it's not, but if you're skeptical, you shouldn't use it.